Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA 5 error GFX D3D init failed initialization with simple and effective steps. This error is usually related to graphics drivers, DirectX issues, or incorrect game settings. First, restart your PC to clear temporary glitches. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version from NVIDIA or AMD website, because outdated drivers are the most common cause of this error. After that, install or repair DirectX Runtime and Visual C++ redistributables to fix missing system components. Now, go to your GTA 5 Documents folder and delete the settings.xml file so the game resets graphics configuration. Also, try launching the game in safe mode or windowed mode by editing launch options. If you are using mods, disable them because they can break Direct3D initialization. Finally, open your launcher, verify game files, and run GTA 5 as administrator, and the error should be completely resolved. Subscribe the channel for more videos.